Riu ni mieri 2.5 kuma riria aruti wira thirikari ciothe cia kaunti marihirwo mishara na ona thengia ya gutungata muingi marekora o mweri thutha wa ungi ukiinama matari marihi ma thithino yao. Na gitumi kinene ni thirikari ya kibururi kurega na shiringi bilioni 85 iria thirikari cia kaunti ifatie kuneo mbere ya mwisho wa mwaka wa mahuthiro uria urathira thiini wa ciumia 2 ciukite.
As of today, a total of 85.6 billion, which is 27% out of the total allocation, is yet to be dispersed to the counties. This is as a result of bureaucracies in the Office of the Control of Budget.
The civil servants have been paid. I received, personally, I also received my salary yesterday. 2 months it's been delayed. The problem has been an issue we've had with the National Treasury.
Mangabana makiorota murugamiriri munene wa bajeti Margaret Nyakango makiuga ni wekiremithia kiao kuona mbeca.
Should this continue, the council will not hesitate to explore alternative avenues to handle the continued disregard of the rule of law.
But that issue has been resolved, and they've now paid salaries for March and April. Koguo meshara ni igirite riu ya mieri 2 irakoretwo icereirwo na ni andu othe marakoretwo matari na meshara.
Mwaka uyu magavana makoretwo na ihinda iritu kwamukira mbeca kuma kuri thirikari nene na makahinyiririka guthie kinyagia igoti-ini, na ngucanio icio na ici njeru ni itwikite iremithia hari uheani wa utungata kuri muingi.
Uria nguhoya andu ni makakorwo mena umiriria hanini ni undu haria turi ta bururi wena gathina ko mukugia kadile kanini andu matikahahuke ni undu mbeca cioka no mwaka ukarihwo mushara waku
ni undu uri kihingici tondu watho ni uriho ni mwandike uria mbeca ciagirire kugaywo na mwaka uyu na project nyingi ni igucererwo tondu mbeca ni iracereirwo na mieri 3 na ni tugukiuria wananchi nao magituiguire.
Thirikari cia kaunti ciagairwo shiringi bilioni 316 mwaka-ini uyu urathira wa mahuthiro ma thirikari, na ona gutwika cingiaga kuhuthira mbeca iria ihetwo mwaka ugithira, mbeca icio icokagio thefo-ini cia kaunti na icokaga kugairwo thirikari cia kaunti mwaka ukite wa kigina, ona gutwika imwe ni irengagwo ari ta ihera kuri thirikari cia kaunti cikirikana itinahota kuhuthira mbeca icio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.